All right, time to check out ye old build plate again. This was a cool little project. It's little Millennium Falcons that are meant to be glued on pretty much anything that has a rheostat type control knob. I managed to stack 30 of them on here. So I've got plenty for me to use and enjoy, and plenty to give away too if I want to. Well, that looks like a lot of washing. A lot of part washing I'm about to have to do. So I better go ahead and get busy, and then we'll take a little closer look at them. Man, the detail is crazy on those little things. Well, I was going to try to lay these out here all nice and neat, but there's 30 of them, and well, I'm just not going to do that. But check them out. Look at the detail on these dudes. Very, very nice. These are meant to stick on any type of a rheostat type control knob, like a stereo or a guitar or an amp, or you know, pretty much anything that has that type of a little turning control knob. You can glue that on, and I managed to print out 30 of them on one plate. So I got plenty to give away to my friends. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.